Welcome back. In the previous video, we were able to display the post, but we have only one column here. We want to have two columns as compared to the final one. You see that we have 1 and 2. So let's go back to where we are fetching the movies. So here I'm inside the movies component. All right. So the problem is that we need to return the grade, right? But rather we are looping through inside the grade item, which is that is where the problem is coming from. So let's cut everything from here, from that, and then let's bring it outside here, and then we can even remove that, and then let's return the grade like that, and then let's wrap the grade with the content details like so, and let's provide the props and say that item here, yes, item, and then let's provide on the medium screen, let's have 6, so 2 2. So let's save it and check it out. There we go. Now we have it. And another problem is the watch trailer button. You see that it's no longer visible because we applied a primary color to that. So let's also add some style to the button here. So on the content details and the component, and then content details, right? So where we have the trailer, this one, you see we are applying a color called primary. So let's provide secondary color, and let's check it out. And the secondary color also, I think, is also the same, right? So let's go back to our theme. So let's go to details and here, and then under we are using the same color for primary and secondary. I thought you guys saw it. So let's have this color instead of this, the same color. Okay, so let's save it and let's check it out what we have. Let's refresh the application, and there we go. We have watch trailer. Okay, cool. So now let's continue filling up these ones. All right, so here, content details. Here we have added the title. What about the date? So let's also have movie dot what is it created at? So you can search. Let's go back to the and look at the date, the property on the date. Oh, we are not displaying that. We are not displaying the actual props. So let's console with the props and see the props we want. Console.log and then the movie, and check it out. Let's see. More is not defined. Who told you it's more? Let's refresh again, and still more is not defined. Where is more? Oh, here here. So let's save it, and then let's see. We have the date. Do you have the date here? It's release date. So it's movie dot release date. Where is it? I think here, this one. So it's movie dot release date. Optional chaining. Check it out, and there we go. We have it. Okay, cool. So what about the rating? It's also movie dot vote average. So if you look at the console, we have vote average. That is it. And then let's provide a description. The description is called the overview, right? So here, so let's also provide movie dot description, and let's save it again. Sorry, overview, not description. So movie dot overview. So we can destructure out this, but I think it's okay. All right, we have it, and there we go. All right, so the last thing is that we can also provide the title here. So let's look at what we have inside the console, and we can replace that. So let's see what we can put it there, and let's provide, let's say, the original title, right, as that. So let's provide as an original title here instead of this ones, and let's provide movie.original title and check it out. Okay, cool, we have it. So the next thing is about the image, right? But as you can see here that our trailer is somehow squashed inside, but we want to truncate the titles, and so we're going to create a function to truncate all, but for now let's leave it as it is. Okay, cool. So what next is that we want to display the image, but if you look at the console, look at the image that we have, it's no other a complete URL. You can see that we have a backdrop and then this one, and the image is something like this, something slash. Okay, so I researched and I saw a solution to that. So we need to append this image to the MovieDB database link. So the link is here. I'm going to provide it to you. So here, let's come back to the project, and under utils, let's add the link. So let's call this one image under utils, image link.js, and let me paste it here. Cool. So here I also provide a link in the description. Alright, so here the image, so let's provide this one, just image. Okay, so here you can append this one, the one we got from the console, and then if you append it to that, if you append this one, this backdrop to this one, we're going to be able to display the image. So let's get going. Where is it? Here. So let's head over to the component details and let's bring in that. So img 500 by 500, and there we go. So here inside the image, where do I have the image? This one on line number 10. So let's add it here. So curly braces, template neutral, and then let's add, and then image 500 by 500, and then slash movie dot what we need to, what's the name of that? The name of that link movie is called poster path. We have two, right? So dot poster path. So if you look at the console, we have that. So let's see. There we go. Now we have that poster path. There we go. So next is, let's display the background one, and that one is called the poster image. So the backdrop. So if you scroll down, we have one more image here on line number 36. So the same process, let's add it and say image 500 and then slash, and then movie dot backdrop path. You saw that, backdrop path. Save it and let's see what we have. There we go, guys. Now we have our image, our movie. It's now working perfectly nice, but there's no way we can also tell it's loading or not. Cool. So next is we want to find a way. When you click on watch trailer, we can display the video, but for now let's work on the, I think, how we can truncate these ones. Okay, this one, maybe we have one image, one title here, other than this junky title here, or if you wanted to leave it like this, you can. Okay, we can do that one too. Let's leave it as it is. Alright, so I think fetching image is complete. The next video we can still improve upon it and display loading, or we can truncate it or display any error if there is one. So let's do that in the next video.